So I just I try and be down.
Watch yourself, brother.
Yeah, them wide open. Yeah, you know the shapes, you know. You know, make the steps, yeah? But you don't know, you know, Garrison Badness, Barber King, first word for eternity. Body it, yeah, ready. I got a story to tell you about the big guns that I have stashed under my cellar. The guns are shaped like Durella. I feel the breeze, I hear the sound of propeller. I went back to my cellar, pick up a Nascala. Little fella go shake this place like Jella. But tell her that the feds coming to Corella. A big boy Nasca, deal with them like Gorilla. Cause you know killers you wanna be. I say you stay, say some other you wanna be. Hey, cause you know killers.
FWF.
1 acre.
Them know way.
Yo, great lad.
Yo, caption.
Barber King.
Be a top on the ground, funny done walking, rifle rise like the sun. And look what juvenile can't lock my. No, me not take my badness for fun.
Dark, man dark like the attic. Boy disappear and me never use magic. 3 hole in a face, call it a hatchet. Great lad, I know chat me a chatty.
Yes, a little boy no size, fan on this rice. Like now we not feel bonanza, but you get a surprise. Hardcore like ice, head a roll like dice.
Walk on, Deacon. Where you come from? Prayer meeting.
The 357, yo, me sure not stick. A dirt bed for them or close castic. The bright cut on and it not up spit. Be a top on the ground, funny done walking, rifle rise like the sun. And look what juvenile can't lock my gun. No, me not take my badness for fun.
Dark, man dark like the attic. Boy disappear and me never use magic. 3 hole in a face, call it a hatchet. Great lad, I know chat.
So for your face stuff, sir.
You know my name, right?
If you fix your face when you come boy, you know.
So you don't want to come fix it, brother. Easy pull over. Easy pull over. Or you will get turned over. What you do over your Deacon member? Remember, we're not too good over that side here, you know. It look like you slip. Mine, you slide.
Pool of blood.
How much I get you?
How much? What?
Trader. How much trader them give a rat like you? Sell out the family. Family? We are never family, bad man. Me, I did the errand boy. When you never rate me. That make you sell out the woman. You put bread on your table. Stone. Godmother make sure say you alright first. Then she check if me alright. Enough time when you no debo and me dead. You can't rush the process you. You're never ready for the road certain way. But look at me now. So you feel like you have to look loose 87 round you. Make you be a top dog. So forward over here for sell lip service. Let me tell you this. It is. Godmother out of the game. Try her for her once. Can't try her for her again. I hear say when I work off fine. A she forward for my block. Come put a knife on my throat. So you think me I gonna take that, sir? So it's all going on. Tough talk. And you alone a walk. You know that. Yo, it is. When you see Deacon a walk, you know you don't let the Holy Spirit. Yo, hear this. You see if Godmother hear me catch flow, and you me I go blame. And me I go send 2 fallen angels here.